po sa paa, pwede na po putulan ng paa. These are the major complications. Bakit yun ang ating pinag-usapan? Because these complications carry a very high financial burden to the patient and to the family and to the government. See? May diabetes o sugar lang ang problema, pero inatake ako sa puso, malaking gastos. May diabetes ako, nabulag ako, problema ko na yun. May diabetes ako, hindi ko na control, nasira ang kidney ko, then I have to undergo dialysis. See, it's not a burden only to the patient, but it's a burden to the family community. So one of the things that's very important is our kidney. And there are ways how to detect early or potential damage to the kidney. Madali lang yan, sa ihi lang yan, tsaka sa dugo.